Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful dip powder nail design using Revel nail and Pro Dip dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cherael Symone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Revel Nail Lola, Revel Nail Opulent, Pro Dip Silver Dip Powder, and Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. Then I'm applying base to my nails and then dipping it into Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. So I apply base to half of the nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. This is an optional step. This acts as a foundation for my nails and also to build my nails as well. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. So starting with the pinky nail, I just apply base to the whole nail and then I sprinkle Revel Nail Lola Dip Powder onto my nails. This is a pastel color, so it is expected that the color be sheer on the first layer. It reached full opacity on the third layer, but I only showed 2 layers. Originally, I did an ombre nail on this finger, but I filed it off after, so don't be surprised when you see an ombre pinky nail in this video. So onto the ring finger, I'm doing a color block nail design I thought up in my head. It's pretty simple and it's all about how you angle your hand. So just watch and hopefully you're a visual learner and you can see exactly how I'm doing it. I did 3 layers of this, but I only showed 2 layers. So the plan was to do 2 sets of ombre. As you can see from the thumbnail, I did an ombre on my index finger. The original plan was to do the makeup brush ombre on the pinky and then the activator method of ombre on the index finger. Well, the makeup brush ombre didn't quite work out. I don't like doing it, it's daunting. I mean, it's simple, just applying base and then sprinkling the powder with a makeup brush to get an ombre effect. It was difficult getting the powder in one place. I guess my hands are too heavy with the sprinkling and I was getting fed up of doing it, to be honest. That method isn't for me, but I'll be showing you the activator method, so stay tuned for that. And if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button down below to let me know what you think and comment your thoughts as well. So on the middle finger, I'm doing a similar style, however I'm doing it in the opposite direction. My vision for these 2 nails is a kind of vortex nail design. I don't know, I just came up with it in my mind and wanted to try it. Believe me, my mind works in mysterious ways sometimes. Not gonna lie, I was anxious while doing it because I didn't want this design to fail, because not all designs you think about in your head can be created in real life, you know? I'm just glad it worked out. Doing my nails is really therapeutic for me because I remember this day because it was last week. Well, this is from the time I'm doing the voiceover. I had a D. It wasn't good at all, so doing my nails kinda calmed me down from going off the cliff, metaphorically speaking, not literal. That's why I like doing my nails. It takes me away from life and the issues life has to offer. Oh my goodness. Life can suck sometimes. Anyway, so I did 3 layers on my middle finger, but I only showed 2 layers. So on the index finger, I apply base to the whole nail, and then I sprinkle the Revel nail roller onto the nail. It reached full opacity on the 3rd layer. Now for the ombre nail, I'm using activator and an acrylic brush. So I pour some of the activator in a glass and using my brush to pick up the dip powder and just apply it to my nails to achieve an ombre. As you can see on the pinky nail, I attempted the ombre with the makeup brush, but I didn't like it, so you all wouldn't be seeing that. So all I'm really doing is with the acrylic brush, I place it into the activator in the glass, and then I place it into the glitter dip powder and then put it to my nails. I'm basically using the activator the same way you would use monomer. So moving on to the thumb, I did a color block that is fairly simple because I was already doing the most on the ring and middle finger, so I kept it simple on the thumb. I did 3 layers on my nails but only showed 2 layers. So I always have to say this, in order to achieve these designs, it's all about how you angle your hand into the dip powders. And I leave it in the dip powder for about 5 seconds each time I do it. Then I encapsulated the nails with clear dip powder. As you can see, the pinky nail looks like trash. So you see why I didn't keep it, right? I wanted to keep the clip of myself doing the makeup brush ombre, but I don't think people care to watch me fail, so I left it out. I did 2 layers of clear, but I only showed 1 layer. Now I'm just applying activator and I waited a few minutes then began filing. Well, I actually waited a good hour because I went and edited a video and forgot I had nails to file. My bad. So this is after filing and buffing. Now decisions. Which one should I choose? Well, I chose the Model 1's top coat, and since I chose that one, I don't have to apply activator. However, if I wanted to use the dip powder top coat, I would have to use the activator and then wait a while and then go in with 2 layers of top coat. And before I cure, I bling out the pinky nail a bit. I really liked how this nail came out. I made a good decision there. I'm proud. After I waited for it to cool down, I applied cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're gonna wanna check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the video to see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!